Happy Saturday! I have a confession. While trying to come up with outfits for this video, this scene was pretty much the only thing going through my head.
Hufflepuffs are particularly good finders.
What the hell is a Hufflepuff?
Which was the opposite of helpful. Like I said in my last video, I didn't want these to just be the red, yellow, blue, green lookbooks, but at least with the other houses I could kind of lean into that, fall back on it if I needed to, you know? But with Hufflepuff, I'm faced with the fact that I don't own anything yellow. Not even one thing. The only yellow thing I own are a pair of socks. Which is fine, like I said, I didn't want these to just be about the house colors. I wanted it to be a bit more, you know, fun and creative and thoughtful. But I did find Hufflepuff to be the most challenging of them all. And I had to really focus on what I thought encapsulated the Hufflepuff vibe and aesthetic and so on. But I'm really proud of what I came up with. And I hope that you enjoy them as well. Quick disclaimer though, quick note before we get into it. Due to some technical difficulties as well as a few unforeseen time restraints, this video only has 4 outfits while the other houses do have should have 5 outfits. So I apologize in advance for that, but I hope you enjoyed them anyway, and let's just get into it. One unforeseen side effect of this video was that I kind of rediscovered some love for some items in my closet that I hadn't worn in a while. While I was trying to come up with these videos, it sort of forced me to look at things in my wardrobe in a completely different way. And one of those items was this green jumper. It's slightly oversized in the sleeves with a nice high neck and just really interesting pattern to the knits is the green and the white, which I think is really cool. I paired it with some cuffed Levi's and a pair of floral sneakers. This next one was the first outfit that came to my head when I was thinking about Hufflepuff, which is this black jumpsuit with wide legs and little buttons, which I just layered over a white t-shirt. I wanted a yellow t-shirt, but I couldn't find one in time, and then I just paired it with this hat. Something about the idea of this really loose, nice fabric and a pair of boots in a field just felt very sweet and Hufflepuff to me. This next outfit is based around this pair of lace-up boots. They just seemed very tough, and I thought that related to the idea of Hufflepuffs as hard workers. Obviously with the chunky heel like that, they're not really work boots, especially once I paired them with a denim skirt, some patterned tights, and this rainbow jumper. This skirt was another item that I rediscovered a love for. I put it on and just realized how much I liked it and how much I felt that it flattered me. I paired it again with that same hat and then this pink jumper that I rolled the sleeves up because, again, unafraid of toil, hardworking. I wasn't wearing any jewelry to kind of add to that, not even the rings I wear every day or a watch, so I felt a little bit naked. That's the last outfit. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Not wearing any makeup today. Like, you know when you wash your face like real nice and you use like the cleanser and the toner and the moisturizer, maybe you do a mask, like you go all out, and then your skin just feels so good that you don't want to put anything on it, because like that's how I'm feeling today. So I didn't, and like I'm thinking maybe I should have because I'm filming, but you know, I like the barefaced thing. Feels Hufflepuff to me. That's my justification.